Good morning, children. Now, in today's session, I'm going to give book back questions. That is for 5th standard science, and that is lesson 3, children. The lesson name is energy. So, book back answers, I think you know very well. That is book back. That is as soon as the lesson is over, to choose the correct answer, match the following question answers, fill up true or false. Like this, you will have. So, in this third lesson, that is take page number 128. First, you will see Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. So, Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Okay, children. So, this is the first Roman number side heading. So, first one they have given, when diesel is burnt, chemical energy is converted into dash. When diesel is burnt, chemical energy is converted into dash. So there are 4 options given, children. That is A, wind energy, B, heat energy, C, solar energy, and D, sound energy. So the correct answer is B, heat energy. What is the answer? B, heat energy is the correct answer. Then, second, running water possess dash. Running water possess dash. So 4 options here also given. A, potential energy, B, chemical energy, C, kinetic energy, and D, sound energy. So the correct answer is C, kinetic energy. So what is the answer? Kinetic energy. Okay, children. Now the third one. Unit of energy is dash. Unit of energy is dash. So what will be the answer? 4 options given. A, kilogram, B, Newton, C, Kelvin, and D, Joule. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, Joule. Joule is the correct answer. So the unit of energy is Joule. 4. Which one of the following requires wind energy? Which one of the following requires wind energy? Okay, children. So the answer is A, bicycle, B, photosynthesis, C, parachute, and D, automobile. So what will be the correct answer? Is C, parachute. Parachute. Okay, children. So which one of the following requires wind energy is? Correct answer is parachute. Now, cow dung possesses dash. Cow dung possesses dash. So, A, kinetic energy, B, chemical energy, C, solar energy, and D, heat energy. So, what will be the answer? Chemical energy. So, answer is chemical energy. So, chemical energy, that is B. Okay, children. So, we'll see once again. First one, when diesel is burnt, chemical energy is converted into dash. That is B, heat energy. What will be that? B, heat energy. Then second, running water possess dash. That is C, kinetic energy. So answer is C, kinetic energy. Then third, unit of energy is, answer is D, joule. So unit of energy is joule. Then which one of the following requires wind energy? So what is the answer? That is C, parachute. C, parachute. Fifth one, cow dung possesses dash, that is B, chemical energy. So take down in your notebook, children, take down neatly and learn, okay? So whatever I am giving you, just take down in your notebook. So this is Roman number 1. And next we'll go to the Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Find out the energy conversion that takes place in the following. Find out the energy conversion that takes place in the following. Takes place in the following. This is the second Roman number side heading. Okay, children? Find out the energy conversion that takes place in the following. First, they have already given, that is iron box. So, in that, chemical energy and converted into heat energy. Converted to heat energy. Okay, children, iron box. Okay, that is chemical energy, where the chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Next, I have given electric iron box. Electric iron box. So in that, first is a electrical energy. So electric means electrical energy. And this will be converted into what, children? Same, heat energy. So electrical energy is converted into heat energy. That is electric iron box. Okay. So electric means that is, that is electrical energy. And when it is converted, what happens? It turns into converted into a heat energy. Next, electric fans. This is also same, electric. Electric fan means same, electrical energy. Electrical energy is converted into what, children? Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. Okay, children. So this is converted into mechanical energy. So electric fan, that is electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Next, speaker. So all know what is speaker, right? This is your electrical energy. Here also electrical energy is converted into, from the speaker what do you hear? That is sound. That is sound energy. It's converted into sound energy. Okay, children, do you understand this? So then next is a generator. Generator, that is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is converted into generator, that is electrical, that is current. Yeah, electrical energy. Electrical energy. Okay, children, do you understand this conversion? That is iron box. Okay, chemical energy converted into heat energy. Then electric iron box. Here electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Then again electric fan. Here also electric energy that is converted into mechanical energy. Then speaker. Electric energy is converted into sound energy. Then generator. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Do you understand this, children? That is iron box. Chemical energy converted to heat energy. So electric iron box, electrical energy converted to heat energy. Electric fan, electric energy converted to mechanical energy. Speaker, electrical energy converted to sound energy. Then generator, mechanical energy converted to electrical energy. Do you understand this now, children? So now we have finished Roman number 2. Now we'll go to the Roman number 3. Write neatly, children, so that you can understand properly. Okay. Then Roman number 3. Find out the form of energy. Find out the form of energy possessed by the following things. Possessed by the following things. Okay, children? So, find out the form of energy. This is a sight reading. Possessed by the following things. Now, first we'll see a rock on the top of a hill. A rock on the top of a hill. So, for that answer is what, children? What energy will you see here? Potential energy. So, a rock on the top of a hill. So, what energy? Potential energy. So, answer is potential energy. So, what answer here? What energy would you find here? Potential energy. Then next. Okay, children. So, next we'll go to a rolling ball. What will you see? A rolling ball. So, for that answer is, what will be that? What energy would you find there? Kinetic energy. So, what is that? Kinetic energy. Okay, children. So, for this kinetic energy. So, next we will see charcoal. Okay, children. Charcoal. So, in charcoal, what is the answer here? What will be the, children? Heat energy. So, for that answer is heat energy. Okay, children. Then next is waterfalls. Waterfalls. That is kinetic energy. Waterfalls is also a kinetic energy. So, already we have seen in the rolling ball. Okay. Now, next we have seen about the waterfalls. Answer is kinetic energy. Next is battery. So, in the battery, what will be the answer? For the battery is chemical energy. So, for the battery is chemical energy. Okay, children. So, for this answer is chemical energy. So, find out the form of energy possessed by the following things we saw. Right? So, a rock on the top of a hill. So, what will be the answer for this? What answer? Potential energy. Next, a rolling ball. Answer is kinetic energy. Then charcoal. Answer is heat energy. Waterfalls. Answer is kinetic energy. And for battery is chemical energy. So, next we will see the match the following now. Okay, children. So, Roman number 4, match the following. So, in that, first one is electric bell. Second one, water in dam. Third, solar heater. Fourth, windmill. And torch light. Okay, so these are the questions for this, and the answers also given. That is solar energy, light energy, then electrical energy, then potential energy, and sound energy. Okay, children, so these are the questions given here. Okay, here, that is, for that first is electric bell. For electric bell, what will be the answer there? That is sound energy. What is that, children? Sound energy. So, what is the answer for electric bell? Sound energy. Then, water in dam. So, water in dam, that is potential energy. Or where is potential energy? Here, water in dam, potential energy. Then solar heater. So for solar, given here itself, solar energy. Solar heater, solar energy. The next is windmill. So wind, where you can find out that is electrical energy, electricity. Okay, windmills, you can know that is electricity. From windmill, what do we get? Electricity, right? So electrical energy. Then fifth one is torchlight. So when you on the torch, what did you get? Light. So for that, torchlight is light energy. You understand now, children? So electric bell, sound. When you on the bell, what did you hear? That is, you hear the sound of a bell, right? So sound, energy. Next, water in dam. How does it go? It runs. Okay, so that is potential energy. Then solar heater, solar. So that is from the sun. Solar heater. From where do you get? From the solar energy. Then windmill, I already said that is electricity, electrical energy, and torchlight, that is light energy. Do you understand this, children? So first, what did we saw? We saw the choose the correct answer, right? We have seen the choose the correct answer. So first, that is, first one, the answer is heat energy. Second one, kinetic. Third, joule. Fourth, parachute. And fifth is the chemical energy. These are the answers. Next, we saw about the find out the energy conversion. That is iron box, electrical box, fan, speaker, generator. We saw the conversion of the energy. Next, we saw the find out the form of an energy, and now we saw about the match the following. So in the next class, we'll see about the true or false and answer the following, children. Okay. So this you have to write in your notebook. You have to write it neat and clearly so that you can learn, understand easily. Okay, children. Thank you.